Hey everyone, in this video I will be showing you how to use the AI chat feature in Mozilla Firefox browser. So let's get started. So first thing, just come into the home interface of Firefox, and to the left you will be having this star icon. Click it, and here it's having an option to choose the AI chatbot, and here we are having from Anthropic Claude, ChatGPT, Copilot, Google Gemini, and from Mistral. So I will just go with Google Gemini and click on continue. We can switch this anytime, so I'll just click on continue, and here we are having the Google Gemini chat interface. If you want to sign in, you can sign in with your Google account. Here you can like upload also. If you sign in, you can do that, but in case if you don't want to sign in, you can still do AI chat with it. Okay, and if you want to switch to another model, click here, and here we are having ChatGPT and Copilot. So if I go with ChatGPT, so this is the feature that we are having over here. And apart from this, let's go to a particular website. Okay, let me close this, and let's say you want the help of AI to summarize or explain a particular paragraph. So in that case, what you can do is simply copy that content, right click, and here as you can see we are having ask Google Gemini, because that is the model that we have chosen, and here we are having summarize, explain this, proofread. So I'll just go with summarize, and that will basically summarize this particular content. So here you can see, right, Earth as a dynamic atmosphere, this particular paragraph that we have selected. So it gives me the summarization of it. And another feature is the summarization of the whole page. So for this, again click this icon, choose the model of your choice, and here we are having summarize page. So if I click it, so this will basically summarize the entire page that you are having. So here you can see, right, it has taken so much of context from this page, and it will basically like summarize you. Okay, so it has given the summary of some of the contents from this particular page. So that's a video, guys. Do check the playlist of my channel. Done a lot of videos in programming and AI tools. Subscribe me. Thanks for watching.